Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, locate the small button or tab on the back or side of your key fob. This button releases the hidden emergency key, which is crucial for the next step. Press and hold this button firmly, then slide out the metal key. Set this key aside carefully, as you will need it again later to complete the reassembly. Once the emergency key is removed, you will use it to gently pry open the key fob casing. For newer models, insert the metal key into the small slot found where the emergency key was housed, then twist it gently. For older models, look for a small notch along the side of the fob. A coin or a flat blade screwdriver can be used here. Apply light, consistent pressure to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob now open, you will see the internal circuit board and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation. Most Hyundai key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Use a small prying tool or the emergency key to carefully pop out the old battery from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the battery contacts. Now, insert the new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Gently press it into place until it is secure. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap shut. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks, confirming it is securely in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.